sure the captain has switched off the seatbelt signs above you. To avoid the cabin crew disturbing you, we do suggest whenever you're in your seat, you keep your belts loosely fastened over any clothing just in case we encounter any turbulence. Once again, we are a no-smoking airline. This does include the use of electronic cigarettes, and for everyone's safety, the lavatories are fitted with very sensitive smoke detectors. On that note, we do have washrooms in the centre of the aircraft for all our customers to use. We do have a further washroom towards the front of the aircraft, but due to its proximity to the flight deck and the fact that you must not queue the forward galley area, can I ask passengers seated rows 1 to 11 only please to utilise the forward washroom. On the back page of your copy of the onboard magazine in flight, there's important information relating to your safety in the sky and the expectations whilst on board. If you do require any further assistance, then please do not hesitate to ask a member of the crew. I'll be back very shortly to give you further information about your in-flight service. In the meantime, sit back, relax,